welcome to yet another, live chat session with a celebrity. And today's celebrity, let me tell you, is an amazing person. As I had mentioned, he is Shireen Varghese, the singer of A Band of Boys, the first band with the boys, as the name suggests. And Sudhanshu Pandey and Karan Oberoi and Chintu Bhosle, they formed a group and they used to perform amazing. Then they they did take a break. Though they were performing individually, they've got together again, and they perform all over the world. And if you ever get a chance to view him or to see him live, don't miss the chance, because it's going to be amazing. He is a wonderful performer, very energetic. You'll enjoy his singing and you'll feel like dancing yourself, and you will love to hear him. And he is so energetic. He'll pass on all the vibrations to you, and you'll sway to his music. And so Shireen is going to be joining us shortly, and we can be having some requests too. And I plan to play a wonderful game with him, which he is still not aware. So join first, and then let me start our conversation. The games will start a little later. Hi Shireen.
Hi.
How are you?
Tired.
How's your quarantine treating you?
Quarantine is not treating me very well. For me, technically nothing has changed because I used to always work from home.
Oh yeah, but
right now,
your shoots must have got affected.
My shoot has definitely got affected.
The last video I think was from at Della, and that was an amazing video.
Thank you. The biggest change that I've had is I've had to do what you do very well, which is cooking. Okay, and कर दिया मैंने मेरी बीवी मतलब बीच में टोक रही, बिकॉज़ उसके काम के बीच में हमेशा मैं टोकता हूँ. Get back to me.
Every call of yours is coming and asking. Hi Gautam, my son also has joined us.
Yes, thank you.
And my son also.
Yes, and my son also. It's okay. This is how I'm eating my breakfast nowadays, because I don't want to go into what do you call that? After this, so I'm trying to eat it in one piece. This is my wife very benevolently cooked us what do you call इसको क्या बोलते हैं अपना मेपल सिरप के साथ क्या खाते हैं?
Pancake.
Thank you.
Simple सी चीज.
Pancake का बैटर पड़ा था. अरे क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या हाल है? Because she has to get up at 9 in the morning and she has to get on to office. She has to log on to office. So she also has got.
I taught you a couple of dishes, and especially the fish. You can try that out and help her out.
मेरे पास भी वक्त नहीं है ना. Our workload has tripled because we always used to work from home. Now everybody used to work from outside is asking us to also work from home. So my workload ऊपर से 3 बार हफ्ते में लाइव जाना पड़ता है.
That's there.
बैंड बॉयज का भी है, मेरा भी है, ये भी है. तो मैं मतलब जैसे तुमने 11:45 को मैसेज भेजा तो मैं फाट के जाके नहा के आया.
Okay.
पसीने से लथपथ हूँ अभी, because I haven't had the time. वो नहाने के बाद immediately जब बाहर आते तो मतलब वो जो AC चालू नहीं था उसका पूरा असर.
And it's getting bad, yeah. The heat is getting.
बाबा साहब इतना good looking नहीं है.
Yeah, you Shireen Varghese, and you have actually come by that invite, so you should be knowing he is an amazing singer from A Band of Boys. जिसका जो favorite मेरा तो गाना है, that was the first song, and that has always been an all-time favorite, which is मेरी नींद उड़ गई, which I made you sing even when I met you.
मेरी नींद उड़ गई है, मेरा चैन खो गया है, तेरे प्यार में मेरी जान क्या हो गया है, ओ यार मेरे मुंह में आ जा, ओ यार आजा मेरी बाहों में मेरी नींद.
Nice.
So sorry, I hate to do this to you, but I have to eat because I have a long.
No, please continue eating. But then I have some small plans for you, so that will be happening. I want to play a game with you. I think I told you about that.
Okay.
And that will be happening later. But before that, I would like to know a little bit more about engineer, which you probably worked as an engineer also somewhere, or you just directly came into music?
I did 8 years of engineering, which is roughly. I'm so full pasine se lat right now. I did 4 years of diploma in mechanical engineering, and then after that I went to do degree, and that's where things changed. Degree for me was like a giant leap because the quality of studies that I had in diploma was very different, was very good compared to my degree, where it seemed more like degree paane ke liye pad lo, because like the teachers they were all industry rejects, you know. So I went into this whole zone of like, you know, ab to main baba bolu. So I became like I turned towards music there. I mean, music was always there, but I never took it into a reclusive way of life. You know what I'm saying? जब ये कुछ एक plan of action था कि engineer करेंगे, फिर MBBS करेंगे, फिर US जाएंगे, ऐसे वो हम लोग के बैच का पूरा एक plan था. जब मैं डिग्री में आया तो मेरे को ऐसे एक रियलिटी हिट हुआ, क्योंकि मैं मैकेनिकल कर रहा हूँ, सारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स ये सब है, और Y2K का बग भी आया था तभी, तो ये पता चला था कि मतलब जो भी मैकेनिकल वाले सब मतलब ऑब्सोलीट होने वाले, इसके बाद सब कुछ IT और कंप्यूटर्स में जाने वाले. तो देयर वाज दैट लूमिंग दैट वी डिडंट नो व्हाट वाज द फ्यूचर. The teaching was not so hot, so it didn't seem like getting into mechanical engineering for 8,000 rupees a month salary is going to, like, you know, cut it for me. So then, like, I got into rock bands, and you know, typically what happens with engineers, you know, smoking up and all those पूरी अय्याशी जो मैंने वो कर ली है वहाँ पे, मतलब I formed a couple of bands, then I won best vocals for Mode Indigo, ये ऐसा कुछ ऐसा आ गया, and then fortunately I got cast for Movers and Shakers. That's what changed my life. So that was in third year of engineering.
I'm sorry to interrupt. One of my friends, Smriti, she's just mentioned that she's a huge fan of Shireen, and she's thanking me to get you live here.
Thank you. I'm honored to be here. And yeah, so that's what happened, and my life changed post that. I took up that show. Suddenly, I was 5 days a week on television, and
you were into singing before that also?
Yeah, singing has been there with school, church, choir. It's always been there.
Okay.
Then look at it as a way of life. You know, it was something which we just did. सीखा है music, it's all around us. तो उसको एक जरिया बनाना है लाइफ का, ये नहीं सोचा.
So that happened, but when you got into acting first?
नहीं, ये Movers and Shakers happened first. ये Movers and Shakers किए पहले, मतलब 2 साल गाना बजाया शेखर सुमन के साथ, बड़ी मजे लिए, मतलब like had a wonderful life, and then suddenly that stool on which I was sitting got yanked away, the show got shut. तो अब क्या करें? अब मेरे को वापस इंजीनियरिंग में जाना था. तो then I auditioned for a couple of, I shot a portfolio first, and then I got Ekta Kapoor's कोई अपना सर for Balaji.
Right. But Sudhanshu was a part of that?
Sudhanshu was not part of that. No, Sudhanshu was
not
part of that.
Or
because I was Narayani Shastri and I was main lead in that, and then तीन बहनें तीन भाई, and they get married, and you know.
Yeah, that's what.
तो वो होने के बाद yeah, I decided to kind of like follow acting also, and वही same basically the fine arts has always been there, but उसको मतलब hello Zulfi, good to see you. Those whether to choose it as a profession just came to me, just kept coming at me, and I said okay, let me just like ये क्या अच्छा ये भी करते, चलो ये क्या अच्छा ये भी करते. उसी दौरान जैसे ये खत्म हो गया, जैसे we finished this Balaji thing was going on, and that's when Band of Boys thing happened, where there was an audition, and I was called saying, would you like to be part of India's first and only boy band? And I said, why not?
Oh, okay.
Then that changed my life, and that's how I got to know the rest of the boys, and from there onwards it's been a rock and roll dream.
Right.
Radhika, you're asking what Gaani Bhi Do Yaro, matlab Gaani Bhi Do Yaro was the name of the album. Yes, yeah, thank you. Yes, Gaani Bhi Do Yaro was the name of the album, so I'm assuming you're asking for Nain Katari, which is the song from that. तेरा मुखड़ा जैसे चांद प्यारा टैं टैं टैं, तेरा भोला भाला रूप कवारा टैं टैं टैं, ज़ख्मी हुआ है दिल बेचारा, ओ तेरे नैन कटारी मेरी राम दुलारी, तेरे नैन कटारी मेरी राम दुलारी, ओ तेरे नैन कटारी मेरी राम दुलारी, तेरे नैन कटारी मेरी राम दुलारी.
That That's what even Smriti says that she loves that song. Smriti, in fact, if you have any request, you also could because मैंने अपनी request तो उनसे गवा दी है. मेरी नींद उड़ गई has been all-time favorite of mine. And
Visapsi.
that's actually she's Smriti. She's a psychologist and another friend of mine who is Mohan Gaurav. He is also joined and I have also told them about the game and that we'll be having a very interesting game. So I'm actually looking forward for your, as I told you that we prepared with 4 songs with the word chant. So can you go ahead with the songs now? Any 4 songs जिसमें chant word पहले 2 लाइन में कभी भी आता हो. It shouldn't be Chanda, it has to be chant. And this game is going to be played in 2 sections. So this is the first section.
ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये चीर सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज इनमें गहरा, तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी, जी जी
Okay, that's one. The second. Your favorite song जिसमें चांद वर्ड पहले 2 लाइन में कहीं आता हो.
चांद छुपा बादल में, शर्मा के मेरी जाना, सीने से लग जा तू, शर्मा के मेरी जाना.
You have to remember these songs, okay? Because we are going to play the second part with that. So now the third song. It need not start with Chand. It can be anywhere. So it could be मैंने पूछा चांद से.
कुछ याद दिलाओ यार, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा.
मैंने पूछा चांद से कि देखा है कहीं.
मैंने पूछा चांद से.
That's fine because I love this song because the second part is going to be more fun.
मैंने पूछा चांद से कि देखा है कहीं मेरे यार सा कहीं, चांद ने कहा चांदनी की कसम नहीं 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 है.
Right. So rather the last song.
That's the best entertainer I've ever known. Thank you.
I agree with him. There's a song.
बादलों में छुप रहा है चांद क्यों, टा 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 टा.
Now come the second part. Now all these songs that you have sung, please change the word chand with sand and sing it again. That's going to be fun.
ये सांड सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये चीर
So not begin now.
तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी, सांड ने हमें बुलाए. Sorry.
The second part, the second song now.
सांड छुपा बादल में, शर्मा के मेरी जान.
The third is going to be the best one because that's why I made you sing that. मैंने
पूछा सांड से कि देखा है कहीं मेरे यार सा कहीं, सांड ने कहा सांडनी की कसम नहीं 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 है.
That is why I wanted to. The second part would have been amazing, and the fourth song of the sand.
What is the fourth song?
आपने fourth वाला second में गा दिया. मैं बादलों में छुप रहा है.
अरे वो इसने
चांद छुपा बादल में, दोनों ही चांद छुप गए. But you can choose any other song with.
Wait. She had given us a बादलों में छुप रहा है सांड क्यों.
You can add more songs.
तुम पूछ लो. ला 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 ला. Thank you.
So if you have any more song with the song word, please go ahead now on your own. Have I spoiled all the chant songs for you now?
No, you haven't. Chand will remain Chand because when you have a chand like mine, ठीक है, बाकी सब मतलब नॉर्मल लगता है, ये तो बहुत खास है मेरे पास, उसके खड्डे वड्डे सब कुछ मेरे को सही लगता है.
Okay, so as you already said that you already were working from home, so is there anything else that you miss because of the quarantine and the lockdown and all?
I don't tell this to my wife, but I miss good food. I miss my mom's cooking. My mom stays 4 buildings apart. She used to keep sending something or the other every time. Okay, तो अभी तो मतलब we have to step up. The men of the world have to step up because we can't let only the women do everything.
Right.
Though, I mean, I don't blame her. She's been trained to be exactly like me, go and fetch money from the world, So that's what her parents also taught her. She's doing surprisingly well compared to like me for sure. So I miss having that food cooked by the bai. I miss having that food sent by mom. I miss those comforts because सुबह उठ के मेरे को मतलब पहले मतलब कुछ थोड़ा कुछ योगा कर ले, उसके बाद उठते ही मतलब झाड़ू पोछा, फिर खड़का, फिर बर्तन, फिर पानी भरना पड़ता है सब बोतलों में मतलब ताकि पूरा.
I've seen a video where you have washed the vessel and you said यार कम खाया करो, इतने बर्तन मत करो.
कम करो, मैं खुद कम खाऊं. वाटी में ब्रेकफास्ट खा रहा हूँ देखा. So those are the things that I miss the most because hitting the studio used to be quite easy. मैं उठते ही मतलब I used to be able to like hit the studio around 9, 10, 11. अभी आजकल वो 12-1 हो रहा है. तो मेरा सोना भी उतना ही लेट हो रहा है and by the time कुछ भी हो जाए, अभी तो मतलब उम्र हो गई तो मतलब 11 साढ़े 11 के बाद मतलब आग बंद हो जाता है and I have so much work pending. तो मतलब that's where I'm getting increasingly tired and like अरे यार कब खत्म होगा. फिर नीचे भी जाके कुछ करने का ऐसा मन नहीं करता, मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब बाहर जाके हो जाओ. ऐसा कुछ नहीं, बाहर जाके सब कुछ I'm used to this life, like staying at home once in a while, going for work and meeting stuff because everything happens on the internet for musicians. But abhi
I believe that quarantine has also helped you or I think just a little before that you got into a phase a lot into technology development. You have been using a lot of stuffs and you were showing gadgets and camera and all that.
This is my studio.
Wow.
Alright, so I've always had this kind of a setup at home. Okay? And I was making this setup at Andheri because you remember my wife and my son were in Pune for about 4 years because she got a job offer there and uska wo kaam khatam ho gaya. Now this January she had shifted here. So because she had shifted here, this is my son's bedroom. It has to be given back.
Okay.
It has to be given back to him. तो अभी वो उनको मतलब वो सेटअप कर ही रहा था. अंधेरे में हम लोगों ने जगह ले लिया, वहाँ पे स्टूडियो बांध ही रहा था मैं, ताकि मैं भी मतलब फिर देन even I get into a routine and I would go and this वो करने के बीच में ये लॉकडाउन आ गया. तो thank God I get dismantled the studio from him.
Okay.
Yeah. So I've always had what do you call that, my hands deep into the internet as such because of all the tech savvy nature that I have. So I always was into live streaming, was into all that. So now, I mean, it seemed like an opportune moment to, and it seems
experiment because I see you with a couple of cameras and, with...
I've always had this, you remember last year I did the circuit, for which I had like procured a lot of gear and a lot of equipment and the whole thing was at the living room here itself. So while that was going on, it made sense for me to kind of like, kind of look at that property. So I said, okay, let me make another offshoot of that property called the Circuit of Hope. So I said, let me jagrutify some hope and positivity and, send it to the world out there because we need this. It's going to get worse. I hate to be the harbinger of bad news, but as much as we've done, it's not enough. As much as the lockdown, it's a disease, it's an infection, it's taking over the world, and it's going to the world is going to change. From this point onwards, the world is going to change. And we're hoping that, it all works out right. And I'm doing my bit in terms of doing what I can by putting whatever knowledge and skill that I have into the world. So I hope it works. And I hope people enjoy what I'm doing, and I hope people kind of, that's better. And I hope people kind of dig what I'm doing. So it's all a hope, Gigi. I don't know how it's going to pan out, how people are going to eventually survive after this, how people are going to
already the economy has gone down and
the economy 100% is going to take a hit. Okay?
Yeah.
Unless any such scenario that happens, any economic meltdown that happens, the first hit people are artists. They're the ones like जब भूख लगती है किसी को आर्ट समझ में नहीं आता.
Right.
So that's like a big thing. I mean, let's hope and pray that it all works out. So many gigs of mine have got cancelled, understandably so. You know, I mean, hotels are not letting more than 50 people assemble at one place. So wedding कैसे करेंगे? बेचारों के मतलब शादियां यहाँ पे मतलब रुकी पड़ी.
Yeah. One of my nephew's wedding has also been postponed. Well, exactly 3rd May को ही थी. अब तो lockdown ही 3rd May तक stretch हो गया है.
There's a lot of anxiety. There's a lot of.
But my psychologist then says that what you're doing brings in the calm and distraction. So it's a good job that you're doing.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thankfully, I have a lot of funny moments in my life which I can dig into, and I've had this great, great fortune of recording everything, you know, and like so because I came and traveled to so many things, you know, there's so much masti that happens. So every show of mine has been recorded. So वो show सिर्फ not be the show के पास आते जाते मतलब जो कुछ होता है with some posterity in my head, I'm always like चलो उसको record करते document करते बाद में करेंगे. So I do terabytes of data. And on top of that, these two cartoons in my life keep doing something. My son is on various cartoons. वो पता है ना बाल खींच रहे हैं. I cut his hair.
बाल खींच रहे हैं मतलब कहाँ बाल है ही नहीं.
तो मेरे तो बाल है नहीं मतलब मैं उसकी बाल की बात कर रहा हूँ. तो वो अपनी खुद की बाल खींच रहा है. Recently I decided to kind of trim his hair because it's summer and it's hot and उसका बाल यहाँ तक आ रहा था. So I went for a trim. इतना ही howled, oh my God, oh Daddy, how can you do this? How can you do this? Very irritating. So I cut it and it's not obviously a professional cut, but you know he's surviving with it. Ayush. People are art now and everything is a standstill. YouTube and Spotify and Netflix. Yes, you're right. People will turn to art now because now is the time to grasp it. Now is the time to what do you call that?
To do all the things people otherwise did not have time to do. Basically, I think that there were so many things pending. कि time ही नहीं मिलता है. Movie ये वाली देखनी थी या ये वाली book पढ़नी थी. I think now we have all the time in the world to do things. But yeah, it's.
Personally, for me, like, I mean, there's a lot of tech things that I used to do, and I used to hand over the video editing jobs and After Effects jobs and professional softwares. You know, I used to hand over these jobs to other people who are working with me. Now, because it becomes a communication gap, and usually it's done when the editor is sitting there and I'm sitting, ye yahan se cut, and then I used to go do my job and come back, ye theek hai, iska color correction, aisa kar, iska aisa kar, you know. But now since wo sab kar nahi sakte hain, I'm learning it myself. बोला बस यही बाकी था. वो भी सीख लो चलो. तो you know, so I'm acquiring new skills. It feels nice. I've acquired a couple more. Okay, now it just tires of Gigi. You know, at the end of it all we wanted to do was sing songs. Okay, and you know now we've gone from like I remember during मेरी नींद उन लोग बोलते थे हमको आप सिर्फ गाना गाओ, बाकी सब लोग कुछ नहीं है. You know, गिटार पे लेके ये थे गाना. वहाँ से now you have to do audio video master ready given. ठीक है, billboard plan, radio plan, TV plan, ठीक है, internet plan of action, social media plan. Okay, then you have to do teasers, then you have to do, मतलब there's so many things that you have to do. I mean, like this whole Nain Ladali project was a 2-month project for me. सब to procure them, to get them to understand what we need and the alignment with other things, you know, like Radio Mirchi. There's so many alignments that are pending now because of this lockdown.
Apart from that, I remember ये तो आपका जो काम है वो काम है, but otherwise जो आप शौक से करते हो, जो अपने आप से करते हो. If you remember, you had come home for some gig on Blue Moon, and you made me shoot something of killing you or something like that. I mean, we did a small a trailer, I think, for 30 seconds or something. It was crazy. मतलब जहाँ मिले जो दिमाग में आपने shoot करना, that's like extra work which you love doing.
I love, by virtue of being a cinema passionate man, by virtue of being in the business of making music videos, you know, it is inherent in me to kind of, you know, look at everything as like something.
हाँ अभी ऐसा कुछ shoot करते हैं. I think in fact I told you also once when we were clicking photographs that all the photographs of yours are with a different angle, different expression. It will never be a सीधा snap of yours.
I see. Normal is boring, okay? And on top of that,
let's break this monotony, and I need another song now.
You need another song, okay? What would you like to sing?
Which is your favorite song, and not yours. Which is your favorite song of somebody else? बाप रे, कैसा सवाल पूछ दिया तुमने? हाँ, मतलब ये भी होता है।
मैं एक गाना गाता हूँ जो मतलब somebody here also I think Devalina she's there, okay. Yes, Danny normal is boring. Devalina had said, and this is also to Vayu Shekhar. Yes, you're right. People are turning to art now because it needs to help you keep sane. This is a song of mine called Kya Raaz Hai Zindagi, okay, and it makes sense now because the lyrics of it are very apt and they're quite attuned to the current situation that we're all in. उड़ते कुछ पलों से चुरा लिए जिंदगी, पीछे रासी राह है पर चलते हम सभी, हाथ से कभी फासले कभी लगती है हंसी, सतरंगी सा ख्वाब है तू जिंदगी, क्या राज है तू जिंदगी, क्या राज है how we speak. Visapsi, Shruti, right?
Yeah, Smriti.
Alright, Shruti, this was for you.
So she's a great friend and she's my neighbor too. So next time that you come, I'm sure she's going to be after my life to, मिलवा दो.
By the way, मेरा पूना खत्म हो गया, मेरा पूना up and down खत्म हो गया अभी.
Totally, ऊपर भी नहीं आते.
Shows के लिए आएंगे अभी तो मतलब बीवी बच्चा यहाँ पर.
Okay. So now that we played a chant song, अभी जिंदगी के ऊपर भी एक दो गाने. I'm not going to ask you to change that word.
जिंदगी के ऊपर ना, thank you.
बहुत अच्छे से गाने जिंदगी के ऊपर.
थैंक यू आयुष. जिंदगी के ऊपर मेरे को एक बहुत वंडरफुल जोक याद है. ओके, सम टाइम बैक आई वाज पार्ट ऑफ दिस वंडरफुल सीरीज कॉल्ड MTV ड्राइव विद नैनो. ये हम लोग 4 लोगों को बिठाते थे, मतलब आई एम श्योर यू सीन MTV ड्राइव विद नैनो. नैनो सीजन 1 था, तो उसमें 4 लोगों को बिठाते थे गाड़ी में और मतलब पूरे कंट्री में भगा रहे हैं और हम लोग यहाँ एक जगह पहुंचते थे. वहाँ पे वी यूज्ड टू डू दिस होल व्लॉगिंग, यू नो, वी आर इन Ranthambore and this is the zoo and this is that. तो ये था हमारा जॉब. 2 months we were on the road. हम लोग इवन नैनो ईस्ट हम लोग शुरू किए उड़ीसा से और हम लोग पहुंचे ऑल द वे टू शिलोंग. जब हम लोग शिलोंग पहुंचे ना, वहाँ पे एक मार्केट ऐसा लोकल वाला मार्केट नहीं होता, मार्केट है बहुत लंबा मार्केट है जिसके टी जंक्शन के एंड पे देयर वाज अ कॉन्सर्ट गोइंग ऑन. ठीक है, तो मैं मतलब आई मीन नॉट मेंट टू से एनीथिंग बट दिस वाज सो फनी एट दैट टाइम. मतलब मैं गिर गया, इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ. तो जिंदगी के ऊपर था. तो एक ऐसा बहुत बड़ा सा दूध बाहर निकला, ठीक है, वो लेदर जैकेट पहना था और उसे शुरू किया ऐसा गाना लेके. ओके, जीन डॉगी एक सफर है सुहाना. हम लोग गिर गए हम लोग, ऐसा मतलब 2-4 लोग हम लोग नैनो कार से उतरे. आएगी जीन. तो I shouldn't be saying this. I mean, it's not right of me to say it, but it was just so hilarious. Okay, I was just confident से वो गाना था, बहुत मजा आया.
That's what matters. Confidence होना चाहिए चाहे कुछ भी.
Can't confuse. Sorry, can't confuse.
And I believe that the person himself is enjoying what he's doing, and that will vibrate. The rights and wrongs and the levels and standards don't matter then.
नहीं, Ayush, this wasn't very bomb. It was very naughty. Jean doggy, date of fun, as you want. So perhaps it was, like, yeah, you could be right. Perhaps it was a little bit of. I have no idea. Anyway, Gigi, what else would you like me to?
जिंदगी के एक और 2 गाने जो मैंने कहा था. I'm not going to ask you to change this time the words.
जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत है, ये नजारे अफसाने, आज गम है तो कल है खुशी, जिंदगी की यो ही रीत Kadla Sagar, welcome.
Okay, so any that kind of like you had this experience, ऐसे कोई weirdest fan से आप मिले हो? Like I think I've been a good and a decent fan of yours. So कोई ऐसा
hounding me. मेरे घर तक पहुंच गए.
घर तक पहुंच गए, आपसे खाना भी बनवा लिया.
बढ़िया है.
So any kind of experience or like maybe something very nice or like something which is etched, something very touching or anything that you would like to share?
You know, there was this one fun moment when I was gigging in Delhi for, I think this was an ONGC gig if I'm not mistaken. And Delhi में full ठंड में we were kind of doing all of this वो सेकने वाला चीज क्या बोलते हैं उसको जिसमें सब अंगार लगी होती है उसमें हम लोग सब गर्मी से
अंगीठी
ठीक है वैसे बहुत सारे अंगीठी लगे हैं और सब लोग मतलब ठंड में से कुड़कुड़ रहे हैं हम लोग स्टेज पे हम लोग फुल स्वेट कर रहे हैं तो हमको मतलब फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा दिस इज बैंड बॉयज आजा मेरी जा सब चालू ठीक है तो इसमें से एक लड़की को मतलब फिर बाद में हम लोग ने सबको आगे बुला दिया और स्टेज के पास तो सब लोग आगे खूब सारी लड़कियां आगे उसमें से एक लड़की मेरे पे ऐसे देख रही थी स्टेज इज वेरी टॉल स्टेज ओके वेरी टॉल स्टेज 6 फुट स्टेज ठीक है एंड दिस गर्ल कर रही और हम लोगों ने मतलब गलती की आप लोग स्टेज पे आ जाओ हमारे साथ डांस करो तो आप लोग उतनी ठंडी लगी ठीक है तो बहुत सारे इसको सीढ़ी वीढ़ी से चढ़ के ऊपर आ गए ठीक है एक लड़की नीचे से ना मेरे को ऐसा मतलब तो मैं बड़ा इवेंट बनने गया ठीक है मैंने हाथ उठाया बाहर से जिसको दिख रहा है ना बहुत अजीब दिख रहा था वो क्योंकि she was getting stuck in a very precarious position तो मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा मैं मतलब फुल ताकत लगा उठा लूंगा बिल्कुल नहीं हो रहा है तो that for me in retrospect when I saw the show footage that's when it kind of hit me कि अच्छा ये बाहर से ऐसे
eventually were you able to get her up
no I gave up I gave up मैं नहीं या तो मतलब या तो ये गिरेगी या तो मैं गिरूंगा तो मेरे वाला तो कोई जरूरत नहीं मैडम आप प्लीज सीढ़ी से आइए तो that's what happened so that's I think was very endearing thank you Sneha thank you for saying I'm an Adupuli point yes
right
Gigi can do this with a charm
or reaching to your house that is what she meant probably
so Gigi you tell me what have you been doing in terms of like have you been learning new recipes what's been your thing
what I've been doing is कि मेरे घर के आसपास जितने bachelors हैं and the girls who are staying alone who are working from home who can't cook because maid नहीं है facilities नहीं I'm providing tiffin एक तो वो मेरा cooking का passion I'm using there and apart from that I'm getting people live on my platter so that मुझे भी तैयार होने का मौका मिल जाए you know and then I talk and then I get to meet people and then I get to hear my favorite songs at times and Karan Oberoi is next in the list so I think he is coming live on Sunday
awesome
Band of Boys का another person I've been a fan of Band of Boys and two are my favorite
we know
so, yeah
so, I got to get to a lot of work right now okay
yes and I'm so honored and thankful that you could join here and hope to see you soon I mean आपका तो पुणे आना ही बंद हो गया so I'll have to come to Mumbai then so personally मिलेंगे and otherwise also I'll
कभी हवेली पे
yes so I'll hope to see you live as usual on the FB sessions that you have and all the best and thank you so much
to all the fans over here thank you for everything I would just like to do a small announcement I've been doing a series from home called the Circuit of Hope this is an extension of what I did last year this is basically it's just a series of hope and positivity and everything else in between, right? It's a song about it's a series where I do a song and where I kind of do a slice of what happened in my week before, right? I'm planning to start something else also very soon and
I hope to get into a lot with your son also. I think he has started his YouTube channel as you had mentioned.
He's learned editing and he's doing
so hope to see what's his YouTube channel name his and yours
Kian Chen.
Okay, right.
You do one thing, I can actually cut paste this. Okay. I'll pause the whole channel. I'll put it later for you if you can just share it. It'll be nice. Yeah.
So thank you so much, and I hope to see you again.
Bye. See you now. I'm going to get back to work. Bye. Thank you, Gigi.
Thank you. Well, guys and girls, that was Shirin and as I promised that it's going to be a fun session. The chant songs were fun. The Zindagi songs were more fun. And thank you for joining in. And tomorrow I will be having another guest. That's going to be a secret. It will be posted shortly on Gigi's Platter, Instagram as well as Facebook page. So do tune in and take care and bye-bye and be safe. Thank you.